Welcome back everyone to some more new video here on the 405 on the Sab Crazy YouTube channel. We're cruising down the 405 south, locked into lane splitting mode, trying to make sure we're looking out for the infamous carpool lane jumper. Very common occurrence here for those folks that will enter or exit the carpool lane over the solid double yellow and solid white line combination. No regard for others. Lots of handheld cell phone users and other bad driver behavior here on the 405 in Los Angeles. Making our way through the Sepulveda Basin right now, making our way towards the 101 at the 405 interchange, then we'll be headed up the hill through the Sepulveda Pass and down into West Los Angeles. So as we make our way through, we got to be alert and ready for the infamous carpool lane jumper to pull some stupid crap right in front of us constantly. Wow, bro.